Let us see how we can balance the disproportionate reactions. The given disproportionate reaction in which chlorine in basic medium gets reduced to chloride as well as oxidized to chlorate ion is given or written in the form of the ionic reaction. So it will be balanced by half reaction method. In this chlorine is getting reduced to Cl minus, as well as the same chlorine is getting oxidized to ClO3 minus also. Now balance these, let us balance these ones, and remember the medium is basic. There are 2 chlorine, simply 1 chlorine atom, so multiplied by 2, chlorines are balanced, but here they have 2 negative charge, so what we do is we put 2 electrons here on this side, so the charges gets balanced. Let us see now, this first half is balanced. The second half, oxidation half. The chlorine molecule is changing into chlorate ion. There are 2 chlorines, there is only 1 chlorine atom. So we simply multiply it by 2. Then, what has happened is, there are now how many? 6 oxygen atoms on the right hand side, which are balanced by putting 6 water molecules on the right and left hand side. The oxygen are balanced. But by doing so, we have introduced 12 hydrogen atoms on the left hand side, which gets balanced by putting up 12 OH minus ions on the left hand side only, and followed by 12 water molecules on the right hand side. It's because the medium is basic. Now how to balance the charges? It's 12 minus here, 2 minus on this side. So it's 12 minus, 2 minus, or we can increase the charge from 2 minus to 12 by putting up 10 electrons on this side. So it gets balanced. So now these both half are balanced. Add these 2 half, but before this you have to ensure that the electrons gets cancelled. Here there are 10, here there is 2. So what we will do is we will multiply this side by 5. This gets cancelled. So we will have 5 chlorine this one and 1 in this. So this will make 6 chlorine. Then 6 water here and 12 water produced. So net it will be 6 here. So what we can do is we can simply put only 12 OH minus ions, because these are the 2 things which are left on the left hand side, plus 2 5s are 10. 10 chloride ions, 2 chlorate ions, and 6 water. So this is your net balanced equation, which is an example of a disproportionate reaction.